My dear ones, today we are starting our speaking class, and today's topic, as I have told you, you have to speak about your school principal, and you know very well how to speak now. By now, you have spoken more than 5 or 6 topics. So, try your best, try to give your best, and get ready for it. Yes, come on, Preeti madam.
Yes, sir. So, is it done?
Your audio is not clear, so you can move up to the roof if there is any network issue. So I call you later. Yes, come on, Simran.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes. Today our topic is about principal. My school name is Rajasthan Girls Public Senior Secondary School and my principal name is Mr. Abhishek Gupta.
One thing I want to tell
He
you
is
all
a
that please
nahi,
do not say anything negative about anyone, because I think we upload our recordings on YouTube and a lot of people watch it. So please, this is my request to you all.
but sir अगर right मतलब बोलना है तो फिर सही बोलना पड़ेगा ना.
Okay, बोलो आप. ठीक है बेटा बोल.
My principal name is Mr. Abhishek Gupta. He is about 30 to 35 years old. He is a
मैं सच बोलना भी मैं ही सिखाता हूँ और रोकता भी मैं ही हूँ. नहीं रोकूंगा बेटा, बोलो आप. बोलो बेटा, आप बोलो. सॉरी.
he runs starting से
नहीं ठीक है, आप बोलो. ही रन्स.
he runs a shop, not a school, and their relation is only with fees and percentage. He don't care student mind is developed or not, and he comes anytime in our class and give a topic to learn us, and next day he take passbook and listen the chapter, listen the question answer of the chapter. He developed the capacity of rectification in the student mind. His behavior is not good with weak students, and I don't like my principal, and he always pressured the student for get good marks in board exams, and uh, he 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 always asked to us for fees, and I hope principal like as a Rajeshji sir, because he taught about reality, not only books and passbooks. That's it.
बेटा, I think there would be some good things.
मेरे को तो
So you
कुछ
should
नहीं
also mention that, beta.
पता. और तो
Isn't there any?
but no sir.
बेटा, अच्छी बुरी बातें सब में होती है, तो बेटा अच्छी बात भी तो कुछ होगी ना बेटा, वो भी तो बतानी चाहिए ना अपने को बेटा.
अच्छा हाँ, but when I asked, when we asked to get मतलब हाँ get a competition like quiz etc, He said yes
Okay,
every time.
very good. So whenever we have to describe any person, na, so there are two things always in anyone. So we should try to describe both. Okay? Okay. Yes, come on, Mona.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is my principal. Ramesh Kumar Meena is my principal. He he is about 45 years. He comes school time. He teaches us political science.
Hmm.
Uh, he is very good teacher, and his behavior is very good. He loves us. He is punctual and kind.
Hmm.
He live in Karoli.
Hmm.
He lives in Karoli.
Hmm. He belongs to Karoli. बेटा रहते तो जयपुर में ही है ना, रहने वाले करौली के हैं वो.
हाँ.
तो आप ये बोलो ना, he belongs to करौली. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ.
He puts on simple clothes. He is very good teacher, and he has a bike. He has two sons. He teaches. He always teaches us.
ठीक है, बोलते रहो.
He tells us two story. He tells us two story.
हाँ, ठीक है.
He put on Google. That's it.
ओके. बेटा अपनी आवाज ठीक करो आप थोड़ी सी. आपकी आधी बातें मुझे सुनाई देती हैं, आधी नहीं सुनाई देती हैं. अपना ऑडियो सिस्टम ठीक करो थोड़ा सा, है ना. बाकी ठीक है, आपका अच्छा है. अब तो थोड़ा सा आपका हेजिटेशन भी निकल रहा है, और है ना. तो आप कोशिश करो बस, ठीक है ना. ओके.
Yes, sir.
यस, दृश्य.
Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agarwal. Today I am going to tell you about my principal. My principal is a good principal. He is the principal of Panama Public School. He teaches very nice to all students. He didn't teach, but he always try to keep good teachers which teach the student
which नहीं,
who teach the student good, teach the students good. He have one car. He come to the school by car. There are 6,000 students in the school. His name is Mr. Anil Yaduvanshi. He have one son and one daughter. Her son study in a college and her daughter study in his school.
स्टडीज वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो बेटा.
Okay, sir. And her daughter studies in his own school. He have a big heart.
हैव क्यों हैज आएगा ना बेटा, भूल रहे हो क्या आप?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
ध्यान रखना बेटा थोड़ा सा. हाँ.
He has a big heart. He is kind-hearted. He always try to solve the problems.
ट्राइज.
He always tries to solve the problems which create between students. That's it.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा करो बेटा बोलते टाइम आप, है ना. सभी लोग ध्यान रखें इस बात का.
Okay, sir.
प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा ध्यान रखेंगे तो फोकस करो आप. बस माइंड में ये ध्यान रखो कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, कैसे बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे कहाँ पर क्या करना है. कोई बात नहीं है, फिर भी बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट है आपका. अच्छा, यस, कम ऑन. आस्था.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling you about my principal. Every school has a principal. Principal takes care of school. I have also principal. My principal's name is Mr. Niket Sharma. He lives in Jaipur. He is about 33 years old. My principal sees that are all people following their rules. Principal is also known our head of school. He tells teachers how to teach students. My principal is also good. Her qualification is MA BEd passed. He has one son. Her wife's name is Mrs. Ambika Sharma. He is the principal of Bal Bharti Secondary School at Naila. He is a nice person. He takes care of all the students of school. He sit in a office.
In an office. In the office.
In the office. And he see what the children are doing in cameras.
No, he watches in cameras.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, he monitors by cameras what the students are doing. ठीक है ना बेटा?
Yes, sir. My principal is able and high qualification.
Highly qualified.
Okay, sir. Highly qualified.
हाँ.
Her father's name is Mr. Kailash Sharma. He has been teaching in Bal Bharti Secondary School since 1999. So that's it.
Very good. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है. अशफाक.
So there is a time limit?
नहीं मैडम, मैं भूल गया. अब मैंने फिर टाइम लिमिट नहीं रखी मैडम.
Okay.
मैं भूल गया वो टाइम को स्टॉप वॉच चालू करना, तो अब मैंने फिर किसी की भी नहीं रखी, तो अब फिर किसी के लिए भी नहीं है ना. कोई बात नहीं. यस अशफाक.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishfaq Khan and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today our topic is principal. I read in Sharma Senior Secondary School and my principal's name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Sharma, and he is about 45 years old, and he is a very nice person, and he helps poor every time. He is a Brahman,
Hmm.
uh, and he worships daily, and he goes to temple daily.
Hmm.
He is a very kind person because he he does not take fee from the poor children,
Hmm.
and and he always tell us true, and
Hmm.
he has a car. He has a school bus also,
Hmm.
and he do hard work.
Hmm.
I think he's a very nice principal because he feel our feelings.
Hmm.
All the students love him,
Hmm.
and my all principal also love us, and he he come he comes school on the time,
Hmm.
and on the time, uh, he goes to work daily,
Hmm.
and so he is a very comfortable person,
Hmm.
and he, he
ये
is a
कंफर्टेबल कैसे? कंफर्टेबल का क्या मतलब है यहाँ पे?
fit.
हाँ, बोलो.
He is a very fit person,
Hmm.
and he that's it, sir. I
Okay.
love my principal.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. Yes, Vansh.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B.Ed. Today's topic is my principal. My principal's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He teaches English. He is polite and kind person. He is a hard worker person.
Hard working.
Working person.
Hmm.
His age is 55 years.
Hmm.
His 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 teaches in English, teach for English.
मतलब?
ये इंग्लिश पढ़ता है. He teaches English.
हाँ, बोलो.
He take सर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चला दो, उसे क्या बोलते
हाँ,
हैं?
बताएं. He takes
हाँ, he takes
online.
online
हाँ,
classes.
बोलो.
Or he loves to all students.
Hmm.
He has one car.
Hmm.
He 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 teaches very nice.
Hmm.
His wife name, सबकी wife का name,
कमलेश. Mrs. श्रीमती कमलेश.
his wife name is Mrs. Kamlesh.
Hmm.
He have two children.
ये have क्यों आएगा? Has आएगा ना बेटा.
हाँ, he has two children.
Children's नहीं. Children तो अपने
Children.
आप में plural है बेटा.
Yes, sir. He
हाँ,
has
थोड़ा ध्यान रख बेटा.
two
थोड़ा सा.
children.
हाँ, हाँ.
Their name are Yakshesh Bhaiya and Gati Didi.
Hmm.
He that's it.
बहुत अच्छा है. बेटा मेहनत कर थोड़ी सी.
Thank you,
समझ
sir.
गया ना?
Yes, sir.
इसको गले में जिंदगी भर लटका के नहीं रखना इंग्लिश की प्रॉब्लम को अपने को.
Yes,
अब
sir.
इतना अच्छा कर रहा है, इतना लेवल पे आ गया, छोड़े मत उसको, नहीं तो फिर मैं देख ले, मैं तेरे घर पे आ जाऊंगा किसी दिन.
नहीं
कोई
सर, मैं
फायदा नहीं.
करता हूँ, लेकिन वो वाला नहीं कहता, मैं खुद की कर रहा था.
खुद के भी नहीं
कल
करे तूने. तू कह रहा था मैं करता आज.
नहीं सर, कल किया था.
कौन सा किया था? बता, टॉपिक का नाम बता.
आपके ऊपर ही किया था सर.
तो मेरे ऊपर तो हो गया. अब जो नए टॉपिक दे रहा हूँ बेटा, उन पे लाभ थोड़ा सा.
यस सर.
मेरे ऊपर तो तूने खूब लिख लिया और सब पे लिख लिया. मदर, फादर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर सब हो गए. थोड़ा आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा कि नहीं बढ़ना पड़ेगा?
यस सर.
फिर वो जो
ओके
टॉपिक
सर.
दिए हुए हैं मैंने, वो सारे नए टॉपिक है बेटा, उनको आप करो.
यस सर.
आगे उन्हीं पे थोड़ी घूमते रहेंगे यार अपन बेटा.
यस सर.
आज से चालू कर दो आप.
यस सर.
बस. यस
ओके
अंजू.
सर.
अंजू
Yes, sir.
आजा फटाफट आजा. हाँ.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today, my topic, my principal. My principal name is Priya Gupta. She is a principal. Her hobby is teaching and go to visiting palace. Her husband name is Arun. She has 2 children, 1 daughter and 1 son. She lives at Jagatpura in Jaipur. She teaches economics.
Economics.
Her age is about 27 years. She wear every type clothes. She drive car. Her school is her school is in Jagatpura.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. आगे बोल.
She has 3 siblings, 1 brother and 2 sisters.
अच्छा, ओके.
Her mother name is Sakuntala Gupta.
हाँ बेटा, थोड़ा सा मिसेज लगाया करो, मिस्टर लगाया करो, है ना बेटा.
Her father name is Mr. Ashok Gupta.
हाँ.
Her brother's name is Mr. Abhishek Gupta. She play games sometime with the students.
हाँ.
That's it, sir.
ओके, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है, शाबाश. नाइस एफर्ट्स, कीप इट अप बेटा.
Thank you, sir.
यस, हर्षित.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of BA Ramban Online Interactive Classes. As we all know that today's our topic is on my principal. My school name is Divine Academy. It is nearby of CBI Fatak. And my school's principal name is Mr. Abhishek Gupta. I don't know that he is principal or not, but I think that he is a principal of my school. He wears simple clothes. He is punctual of time. He never do mistakes. He never rebuke the students without their mistakes. His mother name is Mrs. Shakuntala Gupta. He has 1 wife and 2 children. Elder one is daughter and younger is son. Son's name is Karthik and daughter's name is Sia. Sometimes he got angry because the students angry to them. To him.
Because students made him angry.
Okay, sir. Because the students made him angry. Sometimes he asked to students to go for a picnic, and if students said yes, so he make a place for visiting and for picnic spot.
Decides. Make कीजिएगा decides. हाँ, आगे बोलो बेटा.
Okay, sir. Last time we went in Pink Pearl.
To Pink Pearl.
We went to Pink Pearl. He is kind-hearted person. There is a computer lab and a science lab also in my school. He watches the students in the camera. Sometimes, no, he has a car. He has 2 cars. There are 2 halls in my school in which sometimes he does meeting and he assemble to the students.
Assembles. Gathers कर दो आप यहाँ पर. Gathers the students.
Okay, sir.
Assemble
He
भी चल जाएगा,
gathers
कोई
the
बात नहीं.
students.
हाँ.
There are 2 classes in the hall in which there are mics in the hall. And My school is big and he keep the school clean. He is disciplined person and he is read by Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta in his childhood.
He has been.
Okay, sir. That's all, sir.
Very good. Nice speaking.
Thank you.
Keep it up, बेटा, शाबाश. कोशिश करते
Thank
रहो
you,
बेटा,
sir.
है ना? बहुत बढ़िया.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Swani.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Suhani, and today I tell you about my principal. My principal's name is Mrs. Manjula Chauhan. She is very kind and beautiful person, kind and responsible person. She is principal of my school, and her responsibility of clean and maintenance of school.
बेटा
She
is
is
लगाओ.
very kind.
Her responsibility is
to
clean.
and to clean and
And
maintain
and keep the school building clean.
to maintain and keep the school building is clean.
Is नहीं, अब इसकी क्या जरूरत है यहाँ पर?
Is clean.
हाँ.
And she is a very disciplined person in her life.
हाँ.
And she always teach. She always teach to all children.
Teaches.
Teaches to schools rules and discipline. She is very punctual and she is always reach school on time.
इस क्यों लगा रही है? She always reaches school on time.
She always reaches school on time.
हाँ.
She never comes late.
Hmm.
She is very polite person. Her nature is so sweet. She is so beautiful. And she is married. And she have one child.
बेटा has आएगा, has.
She has one child. And she is very sincere to his responsibility.
Very
to
good.
her responsibility.
शाबाश. हाँ.
She is good in sports. And her favorite game is badminton. She play very good badminton. And she play and sometimes she play badminton with me in school.
Plays बेटा वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो. हाँ.
Plays
ध्यान तो रख बेटा.
badminton
हाँ.
with me in school, but present time corona is going on, so I cannot go to school. I call to her sometime.
नहीं, I phone her. I talk to her on phone.
I talk to her on phone.
हाँ.
On phone sometimes.
हाँ.
To her. She is very good person in her personal life. And I love my principal very much. That's all, sir.
Very good. Hello. Yes, now. अभी कौन कौन रह गया? Yes, विनय मैडम.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about my views. Principal. Principal is the main body of the school, and he and she takes all decision regarding school, and he guides the school. Principal as important as a family head, important in the family, and her job is very responsible. Now I will tell you about my principal. When I started my job, then first day I met my principal. First day when I saw her, I very much afraid.
I was.
I was very much afraid to her, and
Of her to her नहीं.
of her,
हाँ.
of her, and I that time I was thinking, I'm not I was not able to do job here, but after some time, as the time passed, I came to know her, what type lady she is. Her name is Mrs. Shalini Bhatt. She's a well-educated lady, and she wears sari and suit, and she's a fashionable. She follow all the fashions. Apart from fashion, she's a very spiritual lady also, and she's a very helping. She has a very helping nature. She always help us when we need. When thing is this, I did something wrong. I went to her office and told everything. Ma'am, I did this thing. Then ma'am told us how to solve the problem. Some she was never scolded us.
नहीं, she never scolds us.
Okay, she never
Present में
scolds.
आएगा ना. हाँ. Yes.
She never scolds us, or she always gave a good suggestion. And when I was when I joined my school, that time I was in very major problem. She always encourage my stream, and
Encourages
encourages my बढ़ाया, मतलब उन्होंने मुझे, she always encourage
my teaching, my job, my work.
my confidence,
हाँ. हाँ.
in my personal life, in my professional life. I didn't know anything about teaching. She taught me lots of things. I have reached here because of her, effort. She taught me lots of things: how to teach, how to take class, how to maintain these things, how to solve the problems. Uh, she drives car, she drives scooty, and she's wear western clothes, and she is very much friendly with us, and she's a principal also as friend. And we have get together in every month. That time we bring some food from our house, and sit togetherly and eat togetherly, and share our feelings. And she's a very nice lady. She has a smile on her face every time. She has a very smiling face. She never got angry with us, and that's it, sir. She's a nice lady.
मैडम
Okay, sir.
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं हो गया.
Yes, sir. क्या आवाज
ओके.
कम
थोड़ा
आ-
हाँ, आवाज में काफी एकदम क्लियर नहीं है, मतलब या
Okay,
तो कोई नेट इश्यू है या क्या है.
okay, sir. Okay.
कोई बात नहीं है ना. चलो. Yes, now Shri.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Sharma. Today I tell you about my principal. I read in AVM school. My principal's name is Mrs. Anju ma'am. Without a principal, we can't do anything. No, sir.
अब सुनो सारे लोग इसको. मैं आई एम सो मच इम्प्रेस्ड बाय दिस चाइल्ड, बाय दिस गर्ल. हाँ, बोल बेटा.
A principal is very important in our life. Without a correct guide, we can't do anything.
Without proper guidance.
Without proper guidance, we can't do anything.
हाँ, बोल बेटा, शाबाश.
My principal's name is Mrs. Anju ma'am. She is very learned person. She teaches us English. She is about 45 years old. She teaches us very good. She is simple lady. She puts on sari. She motivate us for
for participate in all programs.
Hmm.
I
She
I
motivates
went
us. हाँ बोल, कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा बोल.
I went to went to Sunshine Resort with my principal. We have fun. Had fun with my principal.
Hmm.
She is very good lady. She she helps always to poor students.
Hmm.
She mm, she teaches us very good. She teaches us uh, she teaches us
Very well.
very she's man she teaches us very good manners.
No.
She loves all students.
Hmm.
I also love her.
Hmm.
That's it.
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है. शाबाश, कोशिश करते रहो आप, है ना. यस, प्रीति.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agarwal. Today our topic is principal. So I am telling you about my principal. My principal's name is Mr. Manoj Sharma. He is about 45 years old. He is very nice person. He comes to school by his own car. He wears simple clothes and usually he wears pants and shirt. He comes to school on time because he is very punctual and he monitors the teachers and the students from his office, but still he takes 2 or 3 rounds of the school premises to keep watching the students and teachers. And if he finds any problem, then he takes a short meeting of teachers and he tells all the teachers that not to repeat these things again and kindly maintain the discipline. He always motivate the teachers and he listens the problems of teachers and students. He always try to resolve the problems of teachers and students both. He is very nice and he is very cooperative. If sometime we make any mistake, then he always give us a solution that how can we do much better and how can we resolve this problem. That's all from my side.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा फ्लो है. और विनय मैडम, आपका भी है ना, जो थोड़ा सा हड़बड़ाहट थी ना जो आपकी,
जी सर,
वो आज मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दी कहीं पे.
दिखाई नहीं दी या
हाँ,
दिखाई दी?
नहीं दिखाई नहीं दी मैडम. आज कम है, अब आपका हड़बड़ापन कम हो रहा है.
ओके, थैंक यू
आप सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, है ना. यस कोहिनूर.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Koinur and I am the student of Raman English Online 11th active classes from batch B8. Today I am going to tell you about my principal. My name is Koinur. I read in Sun Academy Public Senior Secondary School in 10th class. My principal sir name is Mr. Satish Chandra Sharma. He is very nice and simple person. His age is about 50 years. He is a learned man. He loves all the students of the school. He wears simple clothes. All the students of the school respect him. And sometimes he tells us stories. His behavior is very nice. He's a punctual person. He never rebuked on the children.
क्यों? टाइम्स का ध्यान रखो, रिब्यूक्स आएगा.
Rebukes on the children.
ऑन की क्या जरूरत है बेटा? He never rebukes the students.
Okay, sir. He's a honest man.
Honest नहीं, honest होता है ये.
honest man. He always looks happy. He's a kind person. He and he gives us many types of knowledge about study. He say that if we do work hard in our life, so by work hard we can get success in our life. I think that my principal sir is very good. He helps all the students in their difficulty. Actually, he also helped like a poor person
helps
in the
बेटा टेंस का ध्यान रखो.
helps in their fees. That's it, sir.
रिगार्डिंग देयर फीस इन देयर फीस नहीं. चलो बहुत अच्छा है, आपका बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. स्पीकिंग तो सबकी बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. पूर्णिमा आई क्या मैडम? हैज पूर्णिमा कम?